Hello, YouTube. Welcome to part one of my Bally's trip 2022 to Evansville Bally's. Today is just a packing video just to show you guys like what I got for my trip and like what in the world am I going to be wearing tomorrow for work. So, if I say you guys somewhere where the light won't get you. So, 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 so if we look at my bag, call this my COVID-19 travel bag because I got this. So, if I open up the first drawer, I got black mass, which I got from Harbor Freight, which was $1.99. Get that. Now, up next, it is the second drawer to the last, and I got my book that my daddy Jim got me, Master Networking and Internet Lab Manual. I got my notebook, just in case if I want to do any notebooking. I also got this page, this North Myrtle Beach page. Plus, it's also to tell you guys like what I'm wearing tomorrow. So let's talk about what I'm wearing for work first, okay? So it's so just to let you guys know what I'm wearing tomorrow. I am wearing those black pants with my next outfit. So these right here is what I'm wearing when I come home. These two. And I'm currently watching right now a new vlog on my TV right now. This vlog, sorry guys, I'm still trying to understand this lighting. So that right there is what Aaliyah Garcia's page looks like. And they are in Indy. They are from Florida. I watch a lot of Florida stuff because honestly, that's what really shocks me about what their stuff looks like. Plus let's recap the week. recap the last 2 weeks while I was at my mom's. So that right there is Ashlyn. So, so to let you guys know about my recap throughout the week. OMG. OMG this week has been, these last 2 weeks has been something. Last week was when this video series started. And then after that, starting so starting the week after, I will be making a video about my different radio frequency stuff. So 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 also I've been watching The Autism Life with Ashlyn. Because honestly, these videos are really, really amazing. So, 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 so I've been watching this family for the last week. And I've also been watching another family called the Emma and Ellie family. So, like, also, it's like maybe also I might show you guys like what I got on my computer, like regarding a couple stuff. Like when I get home, I might try out showing you guys like a lot about my different radio stuff. Because I got quite a bit of radio scanners when I get home. Plus, I also got 2 walkie-talkies. And then after that, the next week after, starting on February 20th, I will be taking you guys with me to Myrtle Beach. I'll be showing you guys like once we get down there, I'll be showing you guys like a hotel, our Airbnb, and show you guys what that looks like. And I will also be doing a vacation vlog down there, just like how these people have done that I've been watching. Luckily, another YouTuber called In the Loop has been watching these lately a lot. So like there's a couple of things that I missed throughout the week. Number one was going to the Excel Center because I had me like a lot of friends there, and a lot of them watch my YouTube channel, like my like a whole lot of different people. So, also a couple of my friends are like my bus dispatchers that I miss. Luckily, I got to talk to both of them. I got to talk to one of them the other day, and I got to talk to one of them today, and made sure my rides were ready for the week next week, because coming next week I will be showing you guys like what our entire week is going to be looking like when I start doing that. So just to show you guys like what I'm watching, that next one right there I probably won't watch because because they said some bad words. So interaction. Jackie's drinking a gallon of wine that day. There's Night Watch Canine chases suspect. Dallas Squat. Horrors. Joe thanks. So also, if we click on transmitting at 40 watts with no antenna on high power. So if you guys are new here, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. And I showed you like what I usually wear for next and like what I'm going to be wearing the next day when I come home. So when you guys see this video, I'll probably be putting it to my playlist. Alright guys, thank you, goodbye, have a great day.